Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if your Wi-Fi settings are not working on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone and you're unable to connect to Wi-Fi to make an internet connection. So we're going to be resetting our network settings, and this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings button. And then you want to scroll down on this page until you get to the system tile, and you want to select that. And then scroll down all the way to the bottom where it says reset options, and select where it says reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. This will reset all Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. You cannot undo this action. Select reset, and then that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.